Wouldn't it be nice if technicians at any experience level could commission a variable air volume box? If you could increase productivity and quickly configure multiple boxes to speed installations. If you could access everything you need in one simple mobile app. Now you can. The OpenAir Intelligent Variable Air Volume Actuator from Siemens is an integrated product with an actuator, differential pressure sensor, and VAV logic built in. It's easy to commission, pre-configured out of the box, or choose from favorites to configure multiple VAVs quickly. Save to your phone or share the favorited configurations via text or email. And with an open platform, it integrates with almost any building automation system. It's VAV commissioning made easy. To get started, all it takes is 5 easy steps. Step 1. Download the Climatics mobile app. Step 2. Begin a new setup. Step 3. Plug the Wi-Fi commissioning stick into the device. Step 4. The most common selections are pre-configured for a new setup. A simple drop-down menu allows adjustments to individual job requirements. Then save your selections to the Intelligent VAV Actuator. Step 5. Save your configuration and job details as a favorite for consistency across VAV boxes. That configuration can be used on other VAV boxes to speed installation. Commissioning the Intelligent VAV Actuator is designed so that technicians at any experience level can perform the work. No more depending on others. Plus, the integrated product design means less wiring and chances for error, which results in fewer callbacks. And for ease of setup and maintenance, you can make real-time changes via the operation menu. It's all in one mobile app, from commissioning and configuration to operation, including a balancers only menu. Bottom line, it's VAV made easy.